We'll guide you through how to rotate objects in Inkscape using the most up-to-date methods. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape and load your document or create a new project. Once you have your object selected, you'll notice small arrows around it. These are your rotation handles. To rotate the object, click and drag one of these handles around the object. You'll see the object rotate in real time as you move your mouse. If you want more precision, hold down the control key while rotating. This will snap the rotation to 15-degree increments, making it easier to get the exact angle you need. If you're looking to rotate an object by a specific angle, you can do so via the toolbar. With your object selected, go to the top of the screen and find the Rotate tab. Enter the exact angle you want in the rotation field and press Enter. The object will rotate to your specified angle instantly. If you need to rotate multiple objects at once, simply select all the objects by holding Shift and clicking each one. Then use either the rotation handles or the rotation field in the toolbar to rotate them together. Remember, the center of rotation can be moved. Just click and drag the small crosshair in the middle of your object to set a new pivot point. This can be very useful for creating dynamic and interesting designs. That's how you rotate objects in Inkscape using the latest features. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.